Data storytelling is a very engaging way to explain your data to your audience rather than just making a simple data analysis. And let me tell you on how to build a data storytelling agent. So here the data storytelling agent requires an access to a large language model which is going to understand your request in natural language, and then it also requires access to some tools. So you will require different tools such as data analysis, clustering, describing the data, getting column names, outlier analysis to extract all the different insights from the data. Afterwards, you will also require a data storytelling skill which is going to take all these different data insights and convert it into a data story, interesting data story. So let us see on how this skill looks like. So this skill over here, it starts by understanding the data. It will call all these different tools to understand the data structure. Afterwards, it is going to find a narrative arc. So when you are making some data stories, you have to pick different data storytelling techniques. So for example, you can have a hero style data storytelling which identifies the top performers as well as the standout qualities. Or you can also have a data storytelling technique such as problem solution and so on and so forth. Afterwards, it is also going to segment as well as detect anomalies. So it is going to use clustering techniques to identify some characters in your story, as well as it is also going to use outlier analysis to surface some anomalies that are driving some problem or solutions or a hero story. Afterwards, it is going to build a dashboard, and then it is going to finish by giving a key message of the story. Now let us see on how this agent will execute. So here I have taken a data set which is corresponding to some telecommunication customers, and I have asked this agent to make a data story of type hero. So as you can see that it is leveraging this data storytelling skill. So it is taking all the skills what we have described earlier, and then it is analyzing the data. It is also then coming out with a dashboard which has got our hero story. So for example, here the long tenure customers are our hero, and they are defining a churn crisis in telecom. Afterwards, it explains the challenge in the industry, and then it is giving some statistic to justify the challenge. So you can see that this way of data storytelling is much interesting. You have an agent which is going to help you build that powerful data story.